CTP Bravo Company XO, Angela C. Maomay. First Platoon Leader, CTP DRRM Girls, Joey Joy Sarsa. Second Platoon Leader, CTP DRRM Girls, Lay Andrea Gabarda. Mapping Company Commander, Lara Sarsa. Mapping Company XO, Jovelyn Permante. First Platoon Leader, Mapping DRRM, John Rupert Senoset. Second Platoon Leader, Sara Milano. Schoolhead, Irenia Saison. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Tomas L. Barandon. CTP MAPE Assistant Facilitators, Daisy Barandon and Josie Fortuno. Majorance Coordinator, Aisha Dancalan. Majorance Trainer, Mary Joy Colasana and Donna P. Gasilio. DPCDFC Assistant Coordinator, Jessa Joy Morada. Thank you very much. That was Malawag National High School from Malawag, Damwag, Camarines Sur.
And we'd also like to express our gratitude to PLDT for giving us free Wi-Fi connection para makapag-livestream po tayo itong ating parade. Maraming salamat po kay Sir Butchoy Paranyal of